This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today, we are stir frying shrimp and broccoli with oyster sauce. So what's the similarities and the differences between shrimp and prawns? Shrimp and prawns are both shellfish that are similar in taste, texture, and nutritional value. And they can be used interchangeably in any recipe. But generally speaking, prawns are larger, they have a straighter body, and they live in fresh water. Here is what you need for this dish. Prawns or shrimp, broccoli, garlic, and spring onions. For the broccoli, cut it up into smaller florets. Presentation wise, you want the florets to be about the same size as the shrimp. My shrimps are rather small, so I'm cutting up the broccoli into smaller pieces to match the size of the shrimp. When cutting the broccoli into smaller pieces, do not cut down into the whole floret. This will result in a lot of wastage on the cutting board. Instead, split the stem in half and pull the florets apart. Like this. We'll also need green onions. We'll only use the white parts here. And chop up some garlic. For the sauce, in some water, mix together like soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, and corn flour. Give all this a good mix till all the corn flour dissolves. Now to prepare the broccoli. Put a pot of water to boil and add in some oil and salt. Put in your broccoli into the boiling water and blanch it for about a minute. Then remove. There's no need to put the broccoli into an ice bath to stop the cooking. This is because we have put the broccoli in the boiling water for a short amount of time. And we'll let the residual heat cook the broccoli further. Although an ice bath will make the broccoli's color greener and brighter. But this is a weeknight meal, so I'm skipping this step to save some time and effort. To cook, put your wok over a medium-high heat. When the wok is hot, add in some oil. When the oil is hot, add in your garlic, white parts of the spring onion, and the shrimps. When the shrimps are turning pink, add in the broccoli. Stir fry this for a minute or two. For the sauce, you will notice that the corn flour has settled at the bottom of the bowl by now. Make sure you give it a good mix. Then pour it over the broccoli. As you stir fry, you will notice that the sauce will thicken and it will coat the ingredients. Once everything is coated, turn off the heat. Taste and adjust for seasoning. If it tastes the way you like it to be, we are done. This is shrimp and broccoli with oyster sauce.